Hello students, today we are going to study your second chapter, that is food. I am your Sir Minjoy. So we are going to study today food chapters. Let's start. So food, that is FOOD. So let's see some pictures of food. So food chapters. Okay, so let's open the book. Let's discuss the topic. So in the food chapters, we will study about source of food, means from where we got food, and the importance of different kind of foods, means there will be many types of food. We will study about the various types of food, and next point will be the name of the meals of the day. Okay, so here you can see the some names of the food like noodles, pizza, rice, chapati, curd, milk, eggs, burger, chips, and chocolates. And if you like the names or the food, you can write here some name of the food from there, here, here, and here. So write the names of the food in this place according to your like. Okay, so most of you know from where do we get food. Mane chingbo jagani rice man. Rice means mai. From where we do we get rice? All of you know, from rice plant. Rice plant. Okay, and the next question is, from where do we get milk? That is, you know, all of you know, sumbaran dodma. This is from cow. Okay, so let's see next page. In this page, we can see some pictures with some place to give mark. Okay, here it is written, write P against the food items we get from plant and A against the food items we get from animal. Means যদি ন কোনো food plant বা vegetable হাকাই আৰু जों P সৈনাই যদি ন কোনো food যদি ন animal সিমি মান হাকাই আবার जों A সৈনাই. Okay, here will be X. First will be X. X जों बर मान animal সিমি মান. So it will be A. Okay. Next cabbage. Cabbage will be what? P. And the noodles from we get it from flour, maida, then it is from plant. Butter is from milk, and from milk to butter, so it will be animal. And next is chapati also from flour, maida, so it is P. And candied chocolates, sugar, this is from plant. Curd, dahi, this is also from milk, so that it will be A. And fish will be A. And meat also A. And ice cream, from where we get it? From water and milk. We together it is made of ice cream, so that it can make animal also, plant also. And milk is animal, and chicken also animal. Okay, so here's second point, that is types of food. Okay, so how many types we have food? Let's see. Food that builds our body and help us to grow. This is food that builds our body and help us to grow, which is that food are eggs, milk, fish, nuts, cheese, curd and meat, which is help us to grow. Okay, and next type is food that give us energy, means the food give us energy, phandru, that is what, like chapati, potatoes, rice, butter, nuts and sugar. Okay, and another type of the food is which is help us to stay healthy, like fruits. So many fruits we have, like mango, orange, uh, papaya and grapes. So many fruits we have. And vegetables like cabbage, ladyfinger, cauliflower, radish, carrots. These are the some example of vegetable. Okay, so next point we will study, that is meal of the day. We eat 4 meals in a day. Breakfast, which is we eat in the morning. At morning time, the food we eat, that is called breakfast, like bread, eggs, milk, fruit juice, idli or stuffed parathas, like rice also. But most of us like to eat always at in the breakfast, that is rice and aloo bhaja sometimes. Okay, and the lunch means in the um, afternoon time. Okay, in the afternoon we eat lunch. We have rice, chapatis, dal and what, vegetable for lunch. So in the afternoon we used to eat rice, chapatis, dal and vegetable for lunch. Okay, and in the evening we used to eat some tea or milk. If it is for men, they used to eat tea, and for little boy, they used to drink glass of water or glass of milk and biscuit, or some other snack also, like uh, cookies, kurkure, chips. Okay, so next item is dinner. The last meal of the day means at night the food you used to eat at home, that is called dinner. Okay, like at night what we used to eat, this is also rice or chapati, and with that dal, fish, meat and vegetables. Sometimes as we used to eat sweet dishes. Okay, dinner is very important as meal. Okay, the whole family sits together for dinner at night. We used to eat the dinner with all the members of the family. Okay, like we read last chapters, first chapter, that is family, about family and the dinner. In the dinner we all the family members together sit at a place and eat our dinner. Okay, next page is about balanced diet. Here, our body needs all kinds of food to remain fit and healthy. Chini busak joto chathai chana nango busak fit tei healthy tongna bagai, bemar yang na bagai. A balanced diet gives our body all the essential nutrients. Means balanced diet. What balanced diet give us? All the nutrients, essential nutrients. We should eat a little of all food items. Mane chung joto food no kiche kiche sanang nai, means sometimes it may be meat, sometimes vegetable, sometimes protein, sometimes snack, like that. All the food we should eat each sometimes. So next stanza, some foods are eaten raw and some are eaten cooked. Salad, fruit and nuts can be eaten raw. We can see some of the food we are cooking, like rice, meat. These are we are cooked before we eat, and some food we can eat directly, that is salad, like cucumber, and fruits like mango, apple, grapes, and nut can be eaten raw. It can eat raw, no need to cook. Fish, meat, pulse, and vegetables are cooked before they eat. Okay, I already tell you that before we eat fish, meat, pulse, and vegetables, we used to cook. Okay, now the point, new point is food from plant. Food from plant. We eat different parts of a plant as food, such as sugar cane, fruit of mango tree, root of radish, and leaves of spinach. So, जों plant ni joto part na sabo jemon stem, bedek nya kai जों sugar cane ni means kuruk, fruits means mango of the tree, and roots yarung, that is radish, mulai, leaves of spinach, bracket जों chamsa spinach sabo lai pata bo sabo. And fruit from animals what we eat, that is meat of animals and birds, fish, eggs. These are we used to eat from animals. Plant like only vegetables, non other fish, eggs, meat. They just eat about vegetables like this type of. So they are called vegetarian. And those who eat fish, eggs, meat, they are called non-vegetarian. Okay. So what we got? Okay, here the definition is given. Some people do not eat fish, meat, and eggs. They are called vegetarians. Okay. So before we eat, we must know about good eating habits. That is, we must eat fresh food, not rotten food. माने जों सब समायना fresh food जानांनाय कषक गैया. Next point is we must chew the food well. So before you eat means during you eat the food, you must chew माने वारि जानांनाय गाहाम खालायै गुरा खालायै. We must not talk when we eat. When we eat the food, you must not talk when we eat. Okay, next line. We must remember that many people do not get enough to eat, so we must not waste food. Means how much we get food, we should not waste the food, because we can see in the YouTube or in the news channel, because of lack of food, so many people are dying. That is why we must not waste our food. So the food you got from your mother, don't throw it simply. Okay, so this is the our food chapters. Hope you like the chapters, and hope you studying at home. Be safe and keep healthy. Always use the mask, use the sanitizer, and be healthy. Bye bye.